If you think chia seeds are just another trendy superfood, let me tell you, appearances can be deceiving. These tiny black seeds, smaller than a pinhead, hold incredible power inside them. Power that can either work for your health or against it, depending on how you use them. And that's the truth no one usually tells you. So, what really happens when you eat chia seeds every single day? Is it the key to better digestion, glowing skin, and endless energy? Or could it actually lead to bloating, discomfort, and even risks you never imagined? Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to uncover both sides of chia, what makes it miraculous, and what could make it dangerous. And if you're serious about discovering natural ways to transform your health, make sure to subscribe right now, because this is only one part of our 7-day journey into secret foods and remedies. Now, let's dive in. Imagine this. You're adding a spoonful of chia to your smoothie, yogurt, or water. At first, it feels almost too easy. Just a sprinkle, and you're done. But what happens next inside your body is far from simple. Chia seeds are made up of soluble fiber. When they touch liquid, they swell up to 12 times their size, forming a gel. And this gel is exactly what can make chia a blessing, or a curse. On one hand, this swelling slows down digestion, helping you feel full for hours. That's why chia seeds are famous for weight management. They can help curb cravings, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you from overeating. Many people who start eating chia daily notice that they snack less, their energy stays stable, and even their sleep improves because their blood sugar isn't crashing at night. But here's the other side of the coin. If you eat chia seeds dry, without letting them hydrate first, they can expand inside your throat or stomach. There are even medical reports of people experiencing choking or blockages because they swallowed a spoonful of dry seeds with water. This is one of the hidden dangers no one talks about. Chia is safe and powerful, but only if you prepare it correctly. Now, let's talk about digestion. Because chia is rich in fiber, about 10 grams per ounce, your gut microbiome loves it. The healthy bacteria in your colon thrive on this kind of prebiotic fiber. Over time, eating chia daily can balance your gut, reduce constipation, and even lower inflammation. But here's where many people go wrong. Too much, too soon. If you suddenly start eating big amounts of chia without giving your body time to adjust, that same fiber can cause bloating, cramps, or even diarrhea. So the real truth? Chia is like fire. Used wisely, it warms your house. Used carelessly, it burns it down. Let's look deeper into the benefits, because they are remarkable. Just 2 tablespoons of chia give you as much calcium as a glass of milk, more omega-3 fatty acids than salmon, and as many antioxidants as blueberries. These nutrients work together to support your brain, bones, heart, and skin. People who consume chia regularly often notice their skin looking smoother, their hair and nails stronger, and their mood more stable. That's because omega-3s don't just help your heart, they also play a huge role in reducing anxiety and depression. But again, there's nuance. Omega-3s in chia come in the form of ALA, which your body has to convert into EPA and DHA, the forms your brain and heart really use. And this conversion isn't very efficient. That's why some people argue chia alone isn't enough. You might still need fish, algae, or supplements to truly get the full omega-3 benefit. See the contrast? Chia is powerful, but not perfect. Now, let's talk about weight loss, because that's one of the biggest reasons people add chia to their daily diet. Studies show that because chia absorbs so much water and expands in your stomach, it can help reduce appetite. But here's the twist. Chia seeds themselves are not magic fat burners. They won't melt fat away while you sit on the couch. What they do is support the lifestyle changes you make by helping you feel fuller and by stabilizing your metabolism. They are a tool, not a miracle. And knowing that difference can save you from disappointment. So, what happens if you eat chia seeds every single day for weeks or months? Let me paint the picture. In the first few days, you may notice changes in your digestion. If your body isn't used to fiber, you might feel bloated or gassy. This is normal. It's your microbiome adjusting. After a week or two, things start to balance out. Constipation may improve, your energy feels steadier, and you begin to notice less sugar cravings. By the end of a month, many people report that their skin looks clearer, they've lost some excess weight, and even their blood pressure or cholesterol has improved. There's evidence that chia can lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, while raising HDL, the good cholesterol. And all of this comes from a seed that most people overlook in the grocery store. But let's not ignore the warnings. Eating chia in large amounts, especially without enough water, can backfire. Fiber overload can cause painful bloating. The omega-3s, while beneficial, can interact with blood-thinning medications. And people with swallowing difficulties should be extra cautious because of the gel-forming nature of chia. So here's the truth no one tells you. Chia seeds are not universally safe for everyone. They are a superfood, yes, but only if you respect their power and use them wisely. And how should you use them? The golden rule is simple. Hydrate them. Soak chia seeds in water, juice, or milk for at least 15 minutes before consuming. Better yet, let them sit overnight. This not only makes them safer but also unlocks their nutrients, making them easier for your body to absorb. The recommended daily amount? About 1 to 2 tablespoons, not more. Remember, more is not better when it comes to chia. Now let me tell you a quick story. A man once decided to boost his health by swallowing a spoonful of dry chia seeds every morning, chasing it down with a glass of water. After a few days, he ended up in the emergency room, unable to swallow properly, because the seeds had expanded and blocked his esophagus. Scary, isn't it? But it proves the point. Nature gives us powerful gifts, but we must respect them. On the other hand, there are countless people who've added chia properly to their diet and experienced life-changing results. Athletes use chia to sustain their energy during long races. People struggling with blood sugar control have seen improvements in diabetes management. Women going through menopause have reported fewer hot flashes and better mood balance. The potential of this tiny seed is enormous, but only when handled correctly. So should you eat chia seeds every day? The answer is yes, if you do it the right way. Hydrate them, respect the dosage, and listen to your body. Start small, give your system time to adjust, and then increase gradually. Think of it this way. Chia seeds are not just food. They are a relationship. If you treat them well, they'll give you energy, balance, and vitality. If you abuse them, they'll push back. And that's the real truth no one tells you. So the next time you see those little black seeds, don't underestimate them. Remember, power often comes in small packages. If you found this video eye-opening, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who loves natural health. And most importantly, subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell, because tomorrow we're diving into another secret food that could change the way you look at your health forever. Because here's the bottom line. Nature already gave us everything we need. We just need to know how to use it. So, will you eat chia seeds every day after hearing this truth? That choice is yours.